Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join in the sloka, chapter 5, sloka 6.
Sannyasasthu mahabaho duhkamaptum ayogataha yogayukto munir brahma nachirenadhigacchati.
Please join me in the explanation of the chapter 5, different slokas Krishna is giving, and let us together see that. What is the sloka today? Unless one is engaged in devotional service of the Lord, only leaving out activities cannot make one happy. He may be engaged in so many devotional types, he may be engaged in so many activities, but being engaged in devotional service becomes special. The sages who were purified by all works of devotion achieve the supreme without delay. So, reaching a stage in devotion is very essential, and you cannot do it unless you start. Devotion to Krishna is an integral part of the Gita explanation. So, you will find it in so many places throughout the book, in 700 slokas. Practically, when Krishna talks of devotion, it means devotion to him only, because he knows that is the best. Yet, he encourages, as we will see in the 7th chapter, worship done to other devatas also he is encouraging. He also explains the difference in case a person fully goes into that without knowing the benefits and plus minus points. He says the difference in what you ultimately get in devotion to other devatas and devotion to him. There he leaves the choice to us. He does not force anybody. Now, the gem of a point before the joke and leaving the sloka is, Krishna is not only an excellent teacher, he is also the best examiner. He gives multiple choices to us. Nowhere in the world you will find a leader who gives choices. They would just say, do it or else. That's all they know. Here, Krishna encourages people to become his devotees and to learn more and more about Gita, and that will be helpful for them. Now, being engaged has got a special connotation to Manta, pune of Mr. Keshav, the MD. So, Keshav, he was somewhat in the relaxed mood. He was not in angry mood as he is always. And he talks to Manta. He says, you are engaged in activities, but so many mistakes. How are you able to do so many mistakes in a day? Then Manta was sheepishly laughing, smiling, and said, sir, I get very early in the morning, sir. So early to rise is to make more mistakes. Fantastic. Hare Krishna.